Welcome to another video on my riding robot Mydfir. Last time I experienced yet more problems regarding line following, which is done with this sensor, color sensing, which is done with this sensor and the same one on the other side. Sonar, well, the sonar itself works, but motors respond not so much. Also, the buzzer, which is on the image, which by the way a live stream with the camera, this is the buzzer, and the results with the buzzer and the lamps here are inconsistent. It looks like it doesn't even recognize the correct colors anymore. Blue when it shows green when it's blue, it goes red when there's white, etc, etc. Well, it doesn't detect white, but it doesn't detect anything else, so it assumes it is a different color and then it shows red. Not good. To make it more detectable or more viewable when something goes wrong, I want to reopen or reapply writing data to disk. So I will open a data file, writable, and to test if it works anyway, I will just start with these three, or anyway this line and this line, which says okay, interface is present, and then sonar 1, sonar 2 and color. If that works out, I can go on. So this is one thing, and trusting that motors still don't work, I will just start the program. I first have to nope. Alright, and alright, let's do that more handy. Python and then Mydfir sonar. Yes, the interface isn't fired up yet, so this is the connector to the charger, which I am going to replace with the wires to the battery. Right. Now things work. You see the light here from the color sensor and here from the color sensor, and in between should the line run. So let's try again. Alright, let's stop this. Let's go to the other terminal. Is there. Oh, I should probably go here and see. Yes, there's now data file. What does it say? exactly this. Alright, so that is right. At least something. So that means that I can go on and say what else do I want to have written in the file. Well, of course, sonar 1 and sonar 2. And since this is Python, I don't have to declare any variables. I can just start using them. This should be one thing. Read the distance, and then you convert the distance to a string, and then you write the string. And then the tab, because as you could see here, they are tabbed after another, so this should be tabbed as well. Let's first try this one. Run. Alright, is this working? It is not. This is not working. Yet another, and I hold my hand in front of the sonar. That should give some input. Alright. Yes, it did give input. Is this visible? No, probably not, because I did D2, not D1. Check anyway. Yes. Now is some input here. Alright. Next attempt. So now this works. I go on to the next one, which is then sonar 2. Right, run it. What is wrong here? Line 69. Yes. Right. Once again, holding my hand in front of the sonar, stopping it, and now instead of less I will say cut, and once again it is not exactly what I want. Let's do it again. No, why doesn't it do it? Alright, so let's run it again. Now holding my hand in front of the sonar, I hear the motor. I hear the motor very shortly. But why does it say that right is not defined in line 69? Because I deleted the F, and this is better. This should work. Alright, new attempt. Once again. Yes, alright. D2 says there is a response. So I stop the program. Once again. Oh, that is a nice one. Now it says S2, is 4, S2 is 5, but it doesn't do S1, and actually I should change the program so it automatically puts S1 always there. That's a very nice one, didn't think of that. Anyway, this works. Then what do I have here? S1 and S2. No, that is sonar, and this is color. So because what I do here is using S1 and S2, so I should not use that here, only confusing. So I use color 1. Alright, let's do it that way. Color 1, and F right says groen with double double T with this double tap, because color is right here on the third tab, so that should work. That is, it should work if the color is green. So I'll have to adapt this part as well. And then say, alright, color 1. Why did I use S in that? It's so long ago I don't remember. And I didn't make any comments either, so that's not really good. And now I should copy and paste this, because this is also, oh wait, I have to do something else as well, because here with distance I explicitly say, okay, the measured distance is converted to a string into a variable, and then I write the variable. Here I don't do that, so I have to assign the color to the variable. Color 1 is green. And now I have to find out if that actually works or not. Alright, so I already put the other colors in there as well. I still don't know if this is going correct, but with color to be different I can test it. So let's just do that. Color 2 is not defined. Really? Where is that? 115? Yeah, that should be 1. This should be 1 as well. Alright. Let's stop and see how this is working out. That's pretty long, which I don't particularly like. So I'm changing back to less, which has the property that you can scroll. With cut you can't scroll. And here you see that the color is different everywhere. Well, that's alright, but it is in the wrong place. So what I am going to do now is make sure that everything is indented the correct way. With S1 being sonar 1, it's not much use, but you can't say that with S2, so I say f dot right S1. Let's keep it in one quote, and then f dot right quote /n for new line. No, it should be a tab, of course. Well, in that case I can also say double tap here and leave this one out. Let's see how that works out. Alright, so this is going. Hold my hand in front of the second sonar. Alright, it detects D2 right here. I stop it. So why doesn't it do it? I'll have to do it again. Does it detect D2? I don't see it yet. I still don't see it. Alright, let's quit it. Did I see D2 somewhere? Well, I can also check this. And I did not see, I don't see any D2. And that's a bummer. Find S2. Oh, it does. And it puts it right there, which is too far away, so one tab less. Alright, let's go back here, one tab less, run it again, hand in front of the sonar, alright. And say search for S2, not found, really. Yet again, hand in front of the sonar, okay, stop, S2 again, find it, still not found. Okay, I don't like this. But But anyway, with one tab less it should be better. And what I have to do now is do exactly the same thing for color 2, and then do the floor test. So I'll do that. As you can see, the camera position has changed. Floor test has been set up. Camera is now attached to the tripod. You can see that some of it there. So here unfortunately the shadows of one of the light sources, well, the shadows of the tripod legs, and I have made a few changes in the code, and one of them is that I have removed this line that makes a header line, because it doesn't matter since I have made everything right here. I am printing the distance anyway. So this is all been changed. Everything is a tab, most I should say, and then here I have added the line. That was different from what I made previously. Once again, too bad that I didn't make any comment about that, but anyway, the way it looks now is like this: color, color, and then line. One problem is that when I look for S1 or S2, there is nothing in it, and that means that for some reason the sonar doesn't work. That said, let's run it. And see if something is going to work. And I better put the data link next to it, and as you can see, nothing of the motor is working. So then let's analyze anything. Oh wait, I have to delete the old data file, simply because it doesn't overwrite. So remove, restart, and the motor doesn't do anything at all. Alright, so what does it say? Okay, that was not clever. Alright, it can go on and on. Let's examine the data. This is the data. So it says the color is green. No. And it says color is different. How can that be? What did I do here? Apparently I have made a mistake. No, because this is the color. Printing it once, printing it once, printing it once, and here also printing it once. Did I make a mistake here? No, not that I can see. So why is it printing color twice? A very good question. I don't know. No. That said, I am going to relocate the robot. See whatever happens. Alright, it is relocated now on the red color. Doesn't do anything again. Analyzing the data. Alright, and now there is only one color. Color 1, color 2. 1 and 2. Color 2 says blue. It is red. It should be red. And this says 1. What means 1? 1 means if it is 1 and if it is 1, there is no line. It is somehow, it looks like that there is absolutely no correct sensor anymore. It doesn't make any sense at all. None whatsoever. Okay. I've yet to do a sonar test. So yeah, let's do that. Last part of this video, and I am going to test the sonar. As said, I'm letting it be in this position. So let's see what happens. Starting. Well, what I did see was that the blue and the red lights flashed when I held my hand in front of the sonar. So they do respond. But what does it say in the data file other than this? So let's look for S1. Yes, there is an S1. S1 says nothing. S2 says 15. Really? Next. Next. Okay, no found. Here. S1, and this is S1, this is S2. Next, no pattern found. Alright, so once S33, which is not correct by the way, I assume. Is there anything on S1? Yes, that is the that is a light source, which is right here located. But let's go back in time. that's only S14, S2 only, so this one does a S2 is this one, so that senses 14 centimeters. Did I hold my hand 40 centimeters? I don't think so. And this is 15 and nothing else. I don't like that. I do not like this at all. But anyway, this change with the data file shows that there is quite something wrong. Somehow the sonar does work, but the motors don't respond at all, and they should. When I hold my hand in front of the sonars, the robot should drive backwards. They should drive back. It should drive back, and depending on which sonar, drive back that way or drive back that way. Also, I didn't hear the buzzer. It is on the red color. It's not doing anything. Yeah, lots to think about, but right now I think this is quite revealing. So for now, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube if you haven't done so already. Otherwise, I am also on Twitter and Instagram. You may consider making a small donation to my PayPal for supporting this blog, and you can find the information on my website. And yes, this is certainly going to be continued. So once again, thank you for watching, and bye bye.